Karon amo na dayang gi tauran kay human nagsukod. Muna i-drill daan. Yung butang screws. Aron mataod na siya. Aron maporma na siya. Oops. Oops. Okay. Ligo na. Oops. Okay. Done. Butangan na lang ni siya og plywood nga si Mari. So, sige. Sample. Diba? Diba? Itwiw. So karon guys, mao ni among nahuman karong adlaw. Pag dayon tiwason ni Kuya Ugma kay time naman ang iyahang trabahoon na pod ugma, ang dire na pod ang ihawanan ug ang kuhaanan og balhibo sa manok. Kaya wa man ni rumahuman og banin na mo dire hugasanan lababo og dire katong
aleman ni clean the tractor 2. Money can put some borax. Okay, Money can fix the rope, and he can bring the metal rough to the tractor too, because he fixed that. Yeah. And he put the new one. Ay. Position. Yeah. Yeah. Hyvää huomenta. Yeah. I wake up at 5:30 and then kitchen time, cooking, and then slaughtering the chicken because we have someone customer that buying order the chicken, and we are here in Angkaya house, so we check how many muna today. It's really good that I have muna every day. That is nice one. Yeah. Today it's not raining, but it's so cloudy. Yeah. Good morning, Angkaya. Hiva. Yeah. So we'll check the bed if they have egg. Ihana. Here. So what we see, we have Nelia egg. Wow. They make like like a same bird. Yeah. Ihana. Wow. Wow. Nice one, Angkaya. Titos. Yeah. Nelia ka pala. Sometimes it's 5 every day. Yesterday is 5, now it's 4. Yeah. Hey, Hana. Kitos. Angkaya. Kitos. I love this. Yeah. It's really good. That's our Mona. It's not too much dirty because they have a new bed. That are, yeah. Kitos. Angkaya. Kitos. Kalian. Yeah. Wow. It's really good. Hello, my here. Now is Manny has done the cleaning the tractor number 2, and then also done the fix and change the roof of that tractor. So it's empty and it's ready to transfer the new chicks from sauna. So I'm going to transfer their tractor there, and then I pick up the chicks from sauna. So we're going to find the cartoon because cartoon is the best way to carry the chicks. Yeah. Okay, finally I found here. Ta-da! This is some of papers that not use. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Sauna is there, so it's open. Yeah. We're going there. Hello, chicks. Yala. So I put this in the land.
Okay, Madeline is pick up the chicken and transfer her in tractor.
Mai, hyvä huomenta. Yeah, this morning I gonna transfer that chicks to the tractor, taxi tractor, 10 and 11 and 12. Yeah. So here is the tractor number 1. So we're going to transfer the chicks of this. After transfer the chicken, they fix the metal roof that this is a close open. Yeah. And then after transfer this, clean the tractor inside, and then make it dry, and then move forward, and then transfer the new chick. So I'm gonna prepare the carton for the chicks. Here. Hello, chicks. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Please calm down. Now we're gonna prepare. Okay. Okay, here's the one. So we have we put all the chicken 42 here in tractor number 1. Yeah. Here. So here a lot of chicken. This is a 42 pieces all. Yeah. Yeah.
So he's putting in tractor. Open. Hello guys, so karon naabot na ta diri sa balay tiki sa Dumanhog. So karon moadto ta dito sa balay sa Namligik Piso. Let's go. Okay guys, karon nagpauli na dayta. Padulong sa karsada. Layo gyud tangason, no? Uy, hello. It's your baby. This carton is inside is chicken. Chicks there. Chick. Baat sana ako. Okay guys, nabaat na nato ang galpon. Nanguli na ta. Murag kaulanon. Murag kaulanon, no? Panahon. Mura na paggoro na. Hindi press diri nga. Masina. Okay.
Hello chicks, so Manny will speak up this chicken. Yeah, sit she oh. Hello. Yeah. So now we're gonna open. Wow. Hello. Hello. So there, wake up, wake up. Wake up. You need rest. Rest of your life. Yeah, ole mani kapale. Wash the sauna room. You can wash all cause it's really good at wash. Yeah, he is fix the roof of tractor one. So we're gonna open that, close open and close open, and then put some bamboo there that can put hands, and then it's going to open and close the roof. Yeah, you're gonna make sure.
Go katong gidi.
Okay na. So it's done. So there's a door. But we're gonna try open this. Okay. Wow. Yeah, and it's done. Rough tractor one fix it. Here. So it's really good. Now we're gonna close this. Good to use Hitachi machine, Hitachi sew machine.
Okay karon si Kuya Yadang gisukod. Nagsukod siya sa washing sink. Measure para mataod na siya. Para ani oh.
Explain ka.
Para ani. Para butangan na ng naskilid. Para kung atbang. Mong iyahang gi butangan og nani. Nga ang bangag. Dara ang bangag. Wala pa man ni matangtang. Ya pa ni ikat dere. Tangtangon ni hulog. Para matarong gid siya butang ba. Ya pang ginusnusan aring inari ko. Aron masinaw. Abog-abog.
Update the lunch. What is it? This is a risi puna risi. Yeah, only meat. It's a baboy. Yeah, it's adobo. Ihan. So that is our lunch. Itos. Money attack.
Money.